Good morning, this is Keith All, and today we're going to continue on with our series on how to build a one-page website with Builderall. Today we're going to work on our first panel, which sometimes they call it the first fold on a website. Today we're going to add the background image. We're going to work on this little button here that when we click on it, it's going to scroll down to the next section or panel. And then this panel has a panel divider. And you can see that it has like an arrow pointing down, and it has three colors. These two different shades of purple and then a black. So we're going to work on creating that next. So let's first go over to our website, and then we're going to add another panel, a blank panel. Okay, let's get rid of this text element on here by clicking on it and then clicking the trash can or delete button. Now we're going to click on the panel. We're going to, over here on the left, we're going to hit the edit element. And we're going to add in the background image. And we're going to go over to the background settings property. Change image. I'm going to go over to the directory that we created for the gym template, and I'm going to select the file from my PC. Let's see, the background image is this one. Click on open. Give it a second to load up. Make sure this image is selected. You could tell that it's selected because it's got this border color around it. And now let's click on save. Let me move this over. Okay. It's loading up right now. Let's go over to the already published site, and we're going to see how tall or what the height of this panel is. So we're going to select this panel, and we're going to go over to the sizes property, and the height is 844. Minimum height is 200. So let's go back over here. Oh, let's go back. $200. Okay, let's click on Save Changes. Okay, now let's go to the next item is we're going to create the panel divider. So let's go over here and let's see. Here's the panel divider properties. We're going to click on or check mark the checkbox that says active. We're going to select the effect of big arrow, And these are the three colors that we have to match up. So let's go back over here. We're going to activate it. Big arrow, as you can see, it's already creating it. Let's go back over here now. Let's match up the colors. The first color we're going to click on, and all we have to do is just copy and paste this code. In this particular case, it looks like 181, A as in apple, 1, B as in boy. Let's go back over here. Okay, it takes care of that one. The second color, looks like the color is 9055, F as in Frank, 7. And now the third color, it looks like the hex code is 67169, D as in David. Oops. There we go. Let's click on Save Changes. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Let's open up the Properties tab again. And let's see if these numbers here match up. First shape and second shape. Let's see if they match up. Let's see what they are over here. So yeah, it looks like it's the same number, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Okay, so we're good there. So let's activate this portion right here. We're going to create an anchor tag basically for this panel. So whenever we click on the home menu button, it's going to scroll back up to the top. So let's go ahead and do that. And we do that by going to the panel. Let's edit this. And let's go down to the anchor property. We're going to activate it. And we need to give it a name. Let's go home. Okay, let's click on Save. Okay, let's go back up to the menu item now. And what we want to do is come over here to the gear icon. We need to edit this. And we're going to click on the link, the chain link icon. So we want to select anchor. And since we created the anchor name of home, we're going to select that. Click on select and then save this. let's see, we're going to go to the website now, the published website of this. Let's see. It won't do nothing right now. The reason is because we don't have all these other panels below this one. So it's not going to have a scrolling effect at this point, but it will once we get the other panels going. So let's close this. Okay. Now let's go over to this box right here. We have a box element, and then on top of the box element is this image, this double arrow, down arrow thing. Now we're going to create this gradient effect. We're going to round it off, and then we'll add the image. So let's do that. So let's add a box element, and I want to double check the size of it. So it looks like the width and height and minimum height is all 50. Maximum width is 66. So let's go over here. Oops. I'm going to add an element. It's going to be a box element. Okay, we're going to edit it. $50. That's 50. 66. Okay, we got that. Now we want to make it a gradient color. So let's go to the gradient color. Oops, that's the image. Let's see, background settings, and these are the colors, gradient colors. So it's going to be, looks like it's 8, E as in Edward, 5, 3, F as in Frank, 0. It takes care of the first color. Now let's do the second color. It looks like the hex code is 7, B as in boy, 173, C as in cat. There we go. Let's click on save. Okay, that's it for now, but on the next video we'll finish this up and we'll start working on the other elements within this panel. Thanks again for stopping by, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notifications. Thank you very much.